Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help troubleshoot your golf cart. First, always begin by checking your battery. Ensure it has a full charge and that all connections are clean and tight. Next, locate and inspect the main fuse. A blown fuse is a common culprit. Finally, try to start the cart and listen carefully for any clicks, hums, or complete silence, as these sounds can provide valuable clues about the problem. Once you've done the basic checks, grab a multimeter to verify the battery voltage. A fully charged 48-volt system should read around 9 volts. Carefully examine all battery cables for any signs of corrosion or loose connections, which can impede power flow. Also, confirm your charger is working properly by checking its output when plugged in. These steps are crucial for a healthy power system. If power seems fine, let's look at the motor and controller. You can test the motor for continuity and resistance using your multimeter. Refer to your cart's manual for specific values. Visually inspect the controller for any burnt wires or connectors, which often indicate an electrical short. Lastly, ensure the accelerator pedal switch is engaging correctly when pressed, as a faulty switch will prevent the cart from moving. For more in-depth troubleshooting, always consult your golf cart's service manual. It contains detailed wiring diagrams and specific testing procedures that are invaluable. If you've tried these steps and the issue persists, it might be time to consider professional help, especially for complex electrical problems. And speaking of reading, if you love to dive into a good book, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Happy golfing!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.